There are many products available to choose Crocs Unisex Classic Clog, each all with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Crocs Unisex Classic Clog from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Crocs Unisex Adult Classic Clog. Comfortable and easy to clean clogs for everyone. Whether you're heading out for a casual day or relaxing at home, these classic clogs offer unmatched comfort for both men and women. Made from a durable material that's easy to clean with just soap and water, they're designed for everyday wear and built to dry quickly after getting wet. Lightweight and breathable design. These clogs are incredibly lightweight, making them easy to wear all day long without fatigue. Built-in ventilation ports provide extra airflow to keep your feet cool, while also helping water and debris drain out quickly, perfect for warm weather or wet environments. Choosing the right fit. These clogs are designed with a roomy fit in mind. If you're between sizes, it's a good idea to size down to the next whole size for a better fit. The slip-on style makes them easy to put on and take off, while the pivoting heel strap adds extra security when needed. Made for versatility and everyday use. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, these shoes are tough enough for various activities but comfortable enough for all-day wear. Whether you're gardening, walking the dog, or just lounging, they provide reliable support and cushioning. Buy with confidence. All footwear comes with a 90-day warranty, so you can shop knowing you're getting a quality product. Terms and conditions apply. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information, or in case you need to realize product price due, check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.